am Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center.
I'm Dr. Laura Van Loon with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center.
And what we're going to do today is we're going to do a tandem adjustment. And by that, what we mean is it's a couple adjustment to make sure that they're balanced as much as possible to each other, and that it improves their communication and just their energy level. So, and how long you guys been married?
I'm Barbara, and this is Chuck. We've been married 31 years this year.
Okay, so you ready?
Ready?
All right, maybe hold hands.
Dr. Saylor, you're adjusting Barbara's needs, and Dr. Van Loon is doing Carl's.
Yeah. And what we're addressing is both emotionally, physically, the reaction for each other to each other.
It's one of the beautiful freedoms that KST allows us is that we can not just work on structural things with each patient, but we can also work on emotional things with each patient, and also the patient and their significant other.
Yeah.
One of the other interesting coincidences one of the interesting coincidences is too, often as we're tandem adjusting, they're both all set at the same time. So.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, you guys.
Thank you.